Alrighty, what is up everybody? It is chilly out this morning in Florida. Super weird. But let's roll the intro. We'll get down to who won the giveaway.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding down a feeling you bow, bow.
Alright, so first and foremost, if you like that intro, if you like the giveaways, if you like me, if you like motorcycles, give this video a thumbs up, please. I really would appreciate it, and it helps out the channel. So the reason most of you are probably here is to figure out who won the giveaway, but I also have some channel announcements, some good and some bad, and some sticker stuff. So let's do the small stuff, which is a sticker. So I have I guess you can call it a limited edition sticker. It is a sticker that is not available. It will never be available for purchase anywhere. It is the Ridin dad, the dad on the Move logo from the merch store, me on Tail of Dragon, made into like a cartoon animation. It's that, and then my Ridin dad letters from my classic logo. That sticker will be on my person every time I am on a motorcycle, regardless of what motorcycle it is, regardless of where I am, I will always have that sticker. So, if you guys ever see me in the wild, that is the only way to get that sticker. Just approach me, ask me for a sticker, maybe take a picture for the gram, and you'll get the sticker. Alright, so now that the sticker news is done, I do want to mention, probably some of you are thinking, well, Chris, the giveaway was for Harley parts. What are you doing on your Grom talking about it? Well, two reasons. One, Grom is fun as hell, and it's just a fun bike to take out, so I wanted to take it out, and it's my life. I can do what I want. And two, which is the main reason, is because I have a new fairing, and I posted that video a little bit ago, so check that out now. I'll put the link. But I have a new fairing on the old Lowrider S, so because of how that's placed right now, I'm waiting on some hardware from the company to help out with some anti-buffeting. That will hopefully it'll alleviate. I think it'll alleviate all of it. So right now it's just a little bit uncomfortable, and I think because I'm getting some of that buffeting, it will really ruin the audio quality for the vlogs. So I really didn't want to do that, and I know the Grom has perfect audio quality as far as like wind getting in the helmet and stuff. Nothing's messing it up. So I figured I'd just do that today. And like I said, it's just fun, and it's my life. Okay. So the real reason everybody is here, like I said, finally, the winner of the giveaway. So I think I could be wrong when I was thinking of the numbers, but I'm pretty sure I had 41 people enter it, and all you had to do was be a subscriber and enter it. And for those of you who are not remembering, or for those of you who are watching it and are new, the giveaway was for Harley parts from Moon's MC. I'm buying them, not sponsored. But it was for a rear tail light, the integrated LED turn signal and brake light tail light, in whatever color, whatever version you wanted, or a front or rear set of the LED turn signals from Moon's MC as well. So really, whatever you wanted. It's a give or take about $100 value. I think it was about 41 people that entered. So thank you to everyone who was a subscriber and entered the giveaway. It helped the channel out, and you know, it gave you guys a chance to win. And the winner at complete random, I did it completely random, was and I should have double checked the name before I got on the bike, but I'm pretty sure it was Dirt Mopar. I'm pretty sure that's the guy. Anyway, I will I'll, you know, obviously put a little screenshot of him in this. I can't tag because of the way YouTube does things now. I can't tag anybody in new videos, at least that I've figured out how to do now. I spent like a whole week trying to figure that mess out. So I can't really tag anybody that I don't know how to do that. But I will, in the other video where he did post a comment, I will tag that. So if about a week or two goes by and I get no response from the fella, we'll redo it, and we'll just keep randomly picking until we get somebody. But I think because he was a commenter on that video, which was like about a month ago, I think maybe less or maybe a little bit more, whatever it was, I think because he did comment, he'll be active and he'll check it and he'll win his stuff, and me and him will talk about the best product that he wanted, what he chose, and then also, you know, obviously shipping and everything like that, and where he's at. Alright, the other piece of news that I touched on is stuff, I guess you can call it bad news. It's good or bad depending on how you look at it. It's stuff about the channel. So those of you who have been following me regularly know that my Upload schedule is on Florida time, Wednesday at noon, Saturday at 5 p.m. I've been doing 2 videos a month, probably for, I don't know, what is it, 3-4 months now? As you can assume, it is hard to come up with content. It's hard to find the time to do that. Thankfully, I was home a little bit with our new baby. The wife's been off work, so that's really helped out. But long story short, between the new schedule, wife's going back to work, I'm getting a little bit of a different schedule for work. And I just don't have the time to put out quality videos. I could do it, but they'd be crappy videos. It'd be basically 2 crappy videos a week versus 1 good video a week, and less stress on my time and you know, everything like that. So what I'm going to do is stop the 2 videos a week posting and do 1 video a week, go back to Saturdays. As of right now, I'll leave it at 5 p.m. on Florida time, but as time goes by, just like every YouTube poster does, I'll adjust my time based on I'll adjust my post time based on what time you guys are actively watching and involved in YouTube. So yeah, good or bad, depending on how you want to look at it. The really good part about posting is the video I have coming up. So this Saturday is going to be finally the big bore install kit on the Grom, and as you can maybe hear, it obviously does have the aftermarket exhaust, but I already did put the big bore kit on it, and I am absolutely loving it. The kit was from DHM. It was an awesome kit, super easy to install, especially for someone like me who's never had any motor build experience at all. The Grom is, I've said it a million times, the Grom is super easy to work on. It's very confidence inspiring for somebody who's, whoa, a lot of bumpies. It's very confidence inspiring for somebody who's never done any kind of engine work, motor work, anything like that, because everything is so open, is so exposed. Being that it's only a 1-cylinder, a lot of stuff is set up way easier to actually do anything with. But enough of that. You guys will see that install video in, what is it, 4 days now? It's Wednesday, so Saturday you'll see it, and I'll post a review video on that in a few months after I have some real time to get under it. I only have like maybe 100 or 200 miles on it now. So enough of that. I said everything I wanted to say in the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, please. That way you never miss a video, even though you know they're every Saturday now. That's about it. For those of you who don't know, I also have a 2020 Harley Davidson Lowrider S, besides this Honda Grom that I obviously talked about in the beginning that I'm on. I do install, build videos, I do review videos, I take some destination trips sometimes. Hopefully I'll be able to go back to Tail of Dragon this year or sometime soon. That was really awesome. And I just post some motorcycle related videos all the time, every Saturday now. And thank you guys for putting up with my audio quality. I know the quality of the audio should be fine, but the quality of my nose is not fine. I am still stuffed up, either bad allergies, which I always get around this time of the year, or just the fact that I'm still tapering off my residual little cold stuff that I had, that the family had, that I talked about on last week's vlog. So either way, I appreciate you being here and sitting through it. Congratulations to the winner again. Like I said, me and him will get together in the comment section, either email or Instagram for address, shipping stuff, and everything like that. But congratulations, dude. Like I said, I'm pretty sure the name was Dirt Mopar. I'll post a picture again, and I'll post whatever. But congratulations. And for everyone that didn't win, just keep being a subscriber, keep liking the videos, keep being active, because the more you guys participate in the videos, the more giveaways I can do. A lot of videos to come. I'm going to talk about my experience making money on YouTube. I'm making so much money, but I'll talk about that, because I know a lot of people probably are wondering, that are getting close to this 1,000 subscriber mark, to be able to be monetized and however many watch hours you got, or just somebody that is just curious and maybe wanting to get into it for that reason or what. But the money's not why I'm here. I enjoy sharing content with you guys, doing how-to videos for everybody, and then just getting to know you guys and having some good old-fashioned YouTube bonding with everybody. But enough of that. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, like, subscribe, watch the 2 videos that are somewhere on the screen. I don't know, let's make them over here today, and I'll see you on the next time, guys. Ride safe, have fun. Dad out.